In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Google Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each setting means, and how to make sure the right people get access without compromising your account. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google Ads account, especially if you manage more than one. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the admin option. Click that to open the administrative settings for your account. This is where all the account level controls live, including user access. Next, select Access and Security. This section controls who can get in, what they can see, and what they can change. Inside Access and Security, you'll land on or can switch to the Users tab. This tab lists everyone who currently has access, along with their roles. To add someone new, click the plus icon. A form will appear asking for the user's details and the permissions you want to grant. Enter their work email carefully to avoid typos, since the invitation will be sent there. Then choose the appropriate access level. As a quick guide, admin access gives full control, including managing users and billing. Standard access allows day-to-day campaign work without the ability to manage users or critical settings. Read-only access lets someone view performance without making changes. Email only is limited to receiving notifications and reports. If you're unsure, start with the least access they need, and you can always adjust later. When you're satisfied, send the invitation, and there you go. You've done your part. The user will receive an email with an invitation to join your Google Ads account. They just have to accept it. Until they do, you'll see their status marked as pending in the Users tab. If they can't find the email, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. Once they accept, they'll appear as active in your user list with the role you selected. You can return to the Users tab anytime to change their permissions or remove access if responsibilities change. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. You'll need admin rights yourself to add users. Aim for the principle of least privilege by giving only the access someone needs, and never share passwords. User management is designed to keep access secure and trackable. That's all. You've successfully added a user to your Google Ads account safely and correctly. If you follow these steps, you'll keep collaboration easy while maintaining control over your campaigns.